In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the top cover off for the Dell XPS 8930 computer. So we just have to remove the side panel first by pushing this lever this way, and then just pull this off like that. Next thing is we need to get the front panel out by removing these tabs here. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Just lift it up, all 3 of them. And then get it out like that. This front piece comes out. To get this top cover off, we have to push this lever. Actually, no. I think we just have to lift the top here, as you can see. And that will help us get the cover off. Cut it off. And now you can access this thing. If this front panel thing doesn't work, you could just replace it by removing, I think there's 3 screws. There's 1 here, 1 there, 1 there. Just remove all 3 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver, and so you can remove this panel and add a new one if it's damaged. But you have to remove the cables from your motherboard. These cables that are connected to the front panel, cables that are connected to your motherboard. You just remove it and then unscrew these 3 screws, and then you could pull it out and add a new one, just like that. I guess if you want to move the top cover, you can also clean this part as well, if you don't have to replace it or anything. So you could do that. So let's get it back on then. So now it's back on, so that's good. So I'm going to get the front panel back on. As you can see, there's these tabs, 1, 2, and 3. Just move it into these 3 holes. Like that. And just hit it in. Or get it in. And move this one back in, this cover for the CD-ROM. That's in. And just get the side panel back on. Just hook it in. And then just get it in just like that. And that's basically how you get the front, the top cover off. If you have to remove the front panel stuff, if it's broken or damaged, you could order another one and put it in there just as easily. There's a USB-C here. I think these are USB 3 ports. There's a card reader. There's an audio jack and the audio headphone, audio out, and this microphone. So if anything's damaged, you could just replace it. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.